Imagine a world where missiles never miss their targets and can make decisions on their own. Is this a terrifying reality or an incredible stride in technology? This is the world AI is creating for missile design. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that seeks to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Now, where does missile design fit into this? Well, designing a missile is a complex process, involving numerous variables from aerodynamics to propulsion and from guidance systems to warhead design. Enter AI. With its ability to process vast amounts of data, make predictions, and adapt to changing conditions, AI is being used to optimize missile performance. It's helping engineers to design missiles that are more accurate, reliable, and safe. Moreover, AI is minimizing risks. It's enabling the creation of autonomous systems that can detect and respond to threats in real time, reducing the chances of human error. So we see that AI is not just a tool but a game changer in the field of missile design. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a complex technology, but its application in missile design can be understood quite simply. Imagine a chess game where each move is calculated to optimize the outcome. AI works similarly in missile design, making calculated decisions to optimize missile trajectories. It does so by analyzing countless variables in real time, such as wind speed, atmospheric pressure, and even the slightest changes in the missile's position. Now, consider the role of a risk manager who identifies potential issues before they become problems. AI plays a similar role in missile design. It predicts potential failures or malfunctions and makes necessary adjustments, minimizing risk and improving overall reliability. But it's not just about optimization and risk management. AI also introduces a level of adaptability. It can learn from each launch, continuously improving and refining the missile's performance. In essence, AI brings a level of precision and adaptability to missile design that was previously unattainable. So, what are the key points to remember about AI in missile design? Firstly, AI optimizes missile performance. It allows missiles to adapt to changing environments and situations, enhancing their accuracy and